Okay, children, very quickly. First, let me finish this. There are only last one lines. I was telling you about lymphadenopathy. Tell me what is it? Tell me very quickly.
Yes, ma'am. What did you?
What is it? What is
Swelling of
lymphadenopathy?
node.
Yes, and there's one more line which was there. This fever is typically biphasic. What is biphasic fever?
Ma'am, two-phased.
Pardon?
मैम डुअल फेज डुअल फेज हाँ
हाँ, डुअल फेज मतलब क्या बेटा? समझाओ थोड़ा सा कॉमन
दो
लैंग्वेज में
फेजेस
so that
होंगे
everybody
थोड़े
understand. हम्म
दो फेजेस के एक टाइम के लिए एक फेज कंप्लीट हो गया फिर दूसरा स्टेजेस
यस देयर आर टू स्टेजेस. एकदम से बॉडी टेम्परेचर शूट अप करेगा, फिर नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, एंड देन अगेन बॉडी टेम्परेचर दोबारा से शूट अप करके बहुत हाई हो जाएगा. So this is what we call as biphasic fever. What is this known as? Biphasic fever. Is it okay? Charlie, we are done with chikungunya. It is symptoms include onset of fever, crippling joints, pains, lymphadenopathy. The fever is typically biphasic. So biphasic is in which disease?
चिकनगुनिया
Chikungunya.
Chikungunya is which pathogen disease?
मैम चिकनगुनिया वायरस
Virus.
Chikungunya is virus. So bed rest and adequate fluid are recommended for this condition. So we are done with today's viral pathogen diseases. We discussed about two kinds of pathogenic diseases, though we have five of them. Which was the first one, first type we discussed?
बैक्टीरियल
Bacterial.
Okay. Those who are coming and attending the classes, seriously, I'm telling you, ये chapter learn हो जाएगा. Otherwise, खुद बैठोगे बहुत bore करेगा ये. Bacterial diseases में which are the two diseases we have done?
मैम टाइफाइड एंड निमोनिया
Typhoid and pneumonia.
Positive organism of typhoid
सैल्मोनेला टाइफी
Salmonella typhi.
and causative organism of pneumonia.
Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus
Streptococcus.
influenzae.
Anshu, Anshu Gangwar, are you there, beta? Is she there in the participants list? I saw her name previous meeting she had joined, but there was no response. What is the point of joining like this? Come to common cold, causative agent.
Ma'am, rhinovirus.
वायरस
And the
Rhino.
last one, chikungunya. What is the
Chikungunya
causative
virus.
agent? Nahi, confusion. Causative agent. I'm not asking what the
Chikungunya
vector.
virus.
Chikungunya virus.
And vector is
Aedes
एडीज
Aedes
Aegypti.
aegypti. This is the mosquito. बस चार याद रखनी है. Typhoid is Salmonella typhi. Pneumonia, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and Haemophilus influenzae. Common cold you've already done. It's rhinovirus, and then chikungunya is the bite of which causative organism is chikungunya. See here she comes. Let me talk to her. Let me see virtually present or really present. Then we come to the next one, last one. जल्दी से बताइए. Chikungunya में थोड़ा confusion था. What is the causative agent?
Ma'am, chikungunya virus.
वायरस
Chikungunya virus.
And the vector is
Aedes
Aedes
aegypti.
Aedes aegypti.
yes. इसको याद इसलिए कर लो because डेंगू भी यही है. डेंगू का भी causative mosquito transfer वाला same mosquito है. Name the mosquito again.
Aedes aegypti.
Aedes aegypti.
It's the same mosquito bite which डेंगू फीवर also. इसका भी अभी हमारे पास कोई ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट नहीं आया है for डेंगू also. बस डिफरेंस क्या आएगा बेटा डेंगू एंड इसमें? डेंगू में causative agent is another one flavivirus. What is the name of the virus? FLAVI. Flavivirus. And causative organism यही रहता है. Aedes aegypti. No
Ma'am.
vaccine is discovered till now. Yes बेटा.
मैम ये इनडायरेक्ट ट्रांसमिशन का एक एग्जांपल है मैम ये.
हाँ ये इनडायरेक्ट ट्रांसमिशन है बिल्कुल 100% बिकॉज दे आर बीइंग ट्रांसमिटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ वेक्टर. सो विल पुट देम. सो ये दोनों ही एग्जांपल्स आप देख सकते हो. चिकनगुनिया एंड डेंगू बोथ ऑफ देम. दोनों का वेक्टर सेम है.
बाकी सब जो हमने
बाकी
अभी
डायरेक्ट
पढ़े
है.
वो डायरेक्ट है. ठीक है.
सब डायरेक्ट है क्योंकि वो आपकी ब्रीदिंग से या फूड इनटेक के थ्रू माउथ के थ्रू अंदर जा रहे थे. सो दे आर ऑल डायरेक्ट एग्जांपल्स. Chikungunya and dengue are indirect ones. And these are easier to remember, chikungunya and dengue, because दोनों का vector same है. Name the mosquito quickly.
Aedes
Aedes
aegypti.
aegypti.
Aedes aegypti.
Okay. And दोनों में ही एक ही ऑप्शन हमारे पास वही रहता है कि बेड रेस्ट करें, और कोई ऑप्शन ऐसा है नहीं है. दोनों की हमारे पास कोई मेडिसिन नहीं है. Whether it comes to chikungunya or we come to what? The dengue fever. We don't have any vaccine as such. No vaccine is there. Let's move on to revision sessions. I think we had done 7 and मैंने बोला था lifespan सबको याद है. Yesterday I told you please learn the lifespans and come. I'll be asking you in 2 minutes. Okay? उससे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा आपको पढ़ा दूं, फिर मैं आपको कल का पूछना शुरू कर दूं. Let's move on to the next. 7 तक हो गया था. 8th one, that is senescent phase. Senescent phase is a period in the life of an organism between the end of the reproductive phase and death. बेटा birth से लेके reproductive active वाला period तो हो गया reproductive phase. When reproductive phase stop हो गया तो कौन सी phase start हो गई?
Senescent.
Senescent.
And ये कब तक चलेगी? Till the death
Death.
of post, जिसे हम लोग post reproductive phase कहते हैं ना, that is senescent phase. Come to gametogenesis. Everybody knows process by which gametes are formed. This is known as gametogenesis. Monoecious, condition in which male and female reproductive organs are found in the body of an individual organism. Mono means one. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Mono means one. यानी same body में both are present, male as well as female organs. Come to dioecious. Di means two. So either the male or the female.
Or female.
Both separate. Then we come to hermaphrodites. Those animals which have both male and female reproductive organs in the same individuals. What do you call them as? They are called as bisexual. Or the other scientific term for these is what we call as hermaphrodites.
Hermaphrodite.
यहाँ तक बहुत easy है चारों, इसमें कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. Senescent phase is the phase after the reproductive phase. Then gametogenesis, then monoecious, dioecious, hermaphrodites. Now we come to meiocyte. इसको अच्छे से करो. Meo. Look at this word meo. तो
Yes,
those
ma'am.
special cells, इससे break करके हमेशा याद रहेगा. Those special cells which undergo meiosis, what are they known as? Meiocytes.
Meiocytes.
So remember with this word meo, when you use this word meo, इससे याद हो जाएगा. Those cells which undergo meiosis, they are known as meiocytes. Syngamy, you know, fusion of two male and female gametes. Okay. Fertilization, all those events that ultimately lead to syngamy, or that is the fusion of gametes, is what we call as fertilization. देखो बेटा, इन दोनों में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, सिनगैमी एंड फर्टिलाइजेशन. नॉर्मली हम इनको सेम ही समझते हैं, लेकिन इसको थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस समझो. सिनगैमी क्या है?
Fusion.
फ्यूजन.
Fusion.
Exactly. The only the fusion part. We are talking only about which part? Fusion. This is syngamy. But fertilization में all those events जिसके कारण क्या होता है? Syngamy, which leads to syngamy, up to syngamy, no doubt. This is what we call as, what is it called as? Fertilization. So fertilization में syngamy include होगा. Syngamy is a part of fertilization. It is the last stage of fertilization. Come to parthenogenesis, development of the female gamete without fertilization into an adult individual. Normally, you know, the female gamete gets fertilized.
Yes, ma'am.
The egg, it gets fertilized and then zygote is formed. But sometimes the female gamete without fertilization, it goes into an adult individual. What is this process known as? Parthenogenesis.
Parthenogenesis.
Now let's come to embryogenesis, development of the embryo from the zygote. Syngamy के बाद, what is formed is zygote. Zygote से फिर क्या? Zygote में number of cells increase करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? Embryo.
Embryo.
This process जिसमें zygote से embryo बनेगा. बेटा पहले fusion हुआ, syngamy. Fusion के बाद zygote बना. Zygote में number of cells increase होंगे तो embryo बनेगा. So process of development of embryo from the zygote is called embryogenesis. And the last is pericarp, that is the wall of the fruit. So we have done from 8 to 18. They are not difficult. Senescent phase, very quickly. Gametogenesis, monoecious, dioecious, hermaphrodites, meiocyte. Meiocyte word याद रखोगे तो याद रहेगा. It's on your screens. Your time starts now. You have 3 minutes. From 8th to the 18th one. 3 minutes.
मैम डन.
We have still some time. 3 minutes are given. Hurry up, last 1 minute. I'll ask you by name. Let me see.
मैम डन.
कौन ड्राइव कर रहा है साथ साथ?
पता नहीं मैम, माइक खुला रहता है सबका.
Yesterday, I had a boy in class 11th. वो क्लास भी अटेंड कर रहा था and he was saying, मैम आई एम ड्राइविंग. मैंने उसको बोला बेटा छोड़ दो क्लास प्लीज immediately leave the meeting. How nicely he was saying, ma'am I am driving also and I'm नहीं, first he said I am in the car. तो मैंने बोला very good बेटा, you're such a sincere student, you're traveling and you're studying also. Then he told me नहीं ma'am, I'm not traveling, I'm driving. Immediately I told him बेटा छोड़ो, please leave the meeting otherwise I'll remove you.
बहुत पढ़ाकू बच्चे हैं 11th के.
पढ़ाकू बच्चे हैं, ऐसे हो जाते हैं, फिर अखबार में नाम आता है अगले दिन. Did you understand this thing of mine?
Yes मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
न्यूज़पेपर में नाम आता है अगले
Yes
दिन, मतलब
मैम मर जाता है.
क्या मतलब हुआ इसका?
मैम SR का नाम होता है या मर जाता है?
Accident.
Yes, thank God you understood. मुझे लगा आप सोच रहे होगे कि अच्छे बच्चे हैं, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, इसलिए उनका नाम पेपर में आ रहा है.
No
बेटा मैं
मैम.
लाइफ स्पैन पूछने जा रही हूँ. First I'll ask about lifespans, then I'll ask about these 8 things. Please be ready.
Okay मैम.
आप सोचो अगर लाइफ स्पैन का एक क्वेश्चन आ जाता है एमसीक्यू में 1 मार्क में,
Yes
and you
मैम.
lose a question and you lose 1 mark because of that question, तो एंटायर लाइफ आपको ना वो चीज परेशान करेगी कि इतनी इजी चीज मैं 1 मार्क छोड़ के आ गया. इफ यू गेट स्टक ऑन 99 बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लाइफ स्पैन वाला पार्ट, एंड एमसीक्यूज में वो बहुत कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं. दे गिव यू ऑप्शंस, नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन होता है तो फिर भी इजी हो जाता है, एमसीक्यूज में बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. आई हैड डन लाइफ स्पैन्स विद यू. मैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स देखने की कोशिश करती हूँ. यस, दिख गए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. अभिरूप.
Yes मैम.
I'll ask you one by one. Abhirup, you tell me first one.
Okay मैम.
एक तो ये very difficult to handle this laptop and mobile together. हाँ जी. Why not ask each other? That would be better. Abhirup, banyan tree.
मैम 200 years.
अच्छा, sure.
मैम 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 नहीं मैम 200
Yes,
years. मैम
ma'am.
200.
ठीक है. Abhirup, ask Aman now.
Butterfly.
Ma'am, 1 to 3 weeks.
1 to 2 weeks.
Ma'am, 1
1
to
to 2
2 weeks.
weeks.
So Abhirup, you are satisfied with his answer? No, na?
मैम 1 to 2 वीक था मैम, इसने 3 बोल दिया
Sir,
गलती
1 to
से,
2
फिर
week.
चेंज कर दिया.
वही तभी तो मैंने बोला ना, not satisfied ना. चलिए Aman, you ask somebody now. You ask, let me tell you whom to ask. So everybody should get a chance. You ask Anshu. Next in the Aman, ask Anshu.
Definition of lifespan.
What?
Definition of lifespan.
Were you present yesterday, Anshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Then please give the answer.
From birth to natural death.
Birth to natural death. Aman, are you satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anshu, ask Ariba.
Mm. Parrot.
Ariba, answer.
Ma'am, what did she ask?
I think she's asking parrot.
Yes, ma'am.
Lifespan of parrot. Lifespan of parrot.
पता नहीं.
Oh,
140 years.
yes, very good. Ariba, याद रखिएगा बेटा. Ariba, now you ask quickly to Arushi.
इसका मैंगो ट्री का बता दो. मैंगो ट्री का लाइफ स्पैन.
मैम वो दे नहीं रखा है. Tortoise.
Tortoise. Good that you pronounced it correct today. Anji, Khushi, answer.
Ma'am, 100 to 150 days.
Words. Khushi, you ask
Yes.
Vedant. Khushi, ask Vedant.
Yes.
Ask Vedant.
Okay, ma'am. Crow. Vedant, answer.
Vedant has gone to eat breakfast. You ask Priya.
Priya, tell the lifespan of crow.
Very good. So I got to know about 3 people. Last call for them. Arushi, Priya and Vedant. Are you there? Immediately good morning बोलो नहीं तो फिर मैं घर आ रही हूँ.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Acha. Now as soon as they don't want to call me, I don't know why. Whenever I say I'm coming home, सब लोग जल्दी से बोल देते भी आ जाए. So beta ji, what is the task for you people today? These 18 terms have to be done. Lifespan is already done with you. If you want, I'll post this PDF on the group. You want that?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll
Okay,
post
ma'am.
this
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
PDF. ठीक है, तो उससे ये होगा कि जितना करा है वो रिवीजन हो जाएगा आपका साथ का साथ, इसी में से कर लेना. बेटा ये और करना है आपको आज. ये बाइनरी फिजन का डायग्राम प्रिपेयर हो जाना चाहिए सबका बाय टुमारो. एंड एसेक्सुअल एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का डिफरेंस है, इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ा काम है नहीं है. सो यू नीड पीपल नीड टू प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम हियर. रिप्रोडक्शन यू नो, जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन, देन एसेक्सुअल सेक्सुअल का डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए एंड बाइनरी फिजन का डायग्राम सबको आना चाहिए. इतना हो जाएगा कल तक.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These 18 terms, पूरे 18 एक साथ पूछूंगी कल, आज वाले भी और कल वाले भी. All these 18 terms, the lifespan and यहाँ तक binary fission के diagram तक, difference between sexual and asexual यहाँ तक कर लो. Okay, चलिए, you have a break of 10 minutes of yours. I don't want to take it away from you. God bless you all. Bye everybody. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye beta.